12,000 LED 8-in-1 socket E2627 for garage and basements, wherever you need to have light and direction. Let's open this up, show you what it looks like and how to install it. Inside the box, packaged, we have our light, we have a protective cover, remove, and place these open just a little bit, place it in a nice wide area so you can have your light installed correctly. We're placing on to the socket. And rotating on. We're going to adjust the 8-in-1 levels. They extend out. And we pull our switch and we have plenty of light. These lights are great. Basements, garage, workplaces where you need plenty of throw all around. They're very bright indeed. We'll shut the garage light off so you can see it lights up the whole area. 360-degree lighting all around and adjustable by grabbing an arm, swinging it anywhere you need to throw light into a particular area. I hope this product is something that you are looking for.